Saratoga Springs has a Spot the Maximus challenge that every day Maximus finds a new spot. So today, we're going to take you on a tour around Saratoga Springs and see if we can find Maximus. See if we can find it. They said that Maximus won't be at the pool. Yeah. What about Maximus hunts? Maximus can be somewhere, anywhere. Where's Maximus? Right there. You just passed it.
Right here?
You are here.
Right here?
Right there.
Right here?
There.
Wait, we are here. It might be right there where that Mickey is.
Let's go look.
Wait, what's that Mickey there?
I don't know. They said Maximus does not like to hang out or is not allowed in the pool.
Can we take a picture in the castle?
Yes.
Oink, oink.
All right. And when we find Maximus, we get a pin.
Does everybody get a pin?
Everybody who finds Maximus gets a pin. Every day Maximus moves. So let's look over here.
Where's Maximus? What is Maximus looking?
We're gonna have a like Maximus from Rapunzel.
No, like how big?
He's small.
Like what's he look like?
Let's go see. Can we get a picture over here? Let's see if we can find Maximus now. Maximus picture, but we're looking for a small Maximus. Uh-huh. It's a small one. Because that's Maximus, but that's not the Maximus we're looking for. About the size of that right there. It's about the size of the sign. It's tiny. Let's see. Where's Maximus?
I think this is the Mickey.
This is the Mickey place. I think you're right. Oh yeah, we'll get it after we find Maximus. If we find Maximus. Over here? That's right. That's awesome. Let's see. Sure? You guys want to play chess for a second? Checkers is easier. Oh, there's a checkers board over there. Yeah, I know what we're looking for. She didn't show me. Like if for bag, like if you want to get your bags. So we're out here. I'm gonna look over here. Let's see if around this corner. If it's open. See, is it open? Nope, it's closed. Uh-huh.
Wait, that hotel?
This one over here. This is it right here. Right here. Remember, we gotta go show that we found Maximus.